15 secrets only billionaires know. Hey there, all you aspiring billionaires. Are you ready to learn the tricks of the trade from the world's wealthiest? Well, buckle up, because today I'll be spilling the beans on 15 juicy secrets that only billionaires know. So, grab your monocle and top hat and let's dive into the world of the ultra-rich. Investing secrets. 1. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Billionaires don't put all their eggs in one basket, and neither should you. 2. Buy and hold. Patience is a virtue when it comes to investing, and billionaires know the key to success is riding the market waves. 3. Real estate is your friend. Owning property is a great way to build wealth and maintain a steady income. Networking tips. 4. Surround yourself with successful people. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely. 5. Don't be afraid to ask for advice. Billionaires know that they don't have all the answers and are never shy about tapping into the wisdom of others. 6. Build your personal brand. The more recognizable and respected you are, the more opportunities will come your way. Mindset hacks. 7. Think big. Billionaires dream up colossal ideas and then work tirelessly to make them a reality. 8. Embrace failure. Learn from your mistakes and view them as valuable stepping stones on the path to success. 9. Prioritize your time. Billionaires know that time is their most valuable asset, so they use it wisely. Money management. 10. Live below your means. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. 11. Automate your savings. Billionaires make saving money a habit by automating deposits into their investment accounts. 12. Understand taxes. Knowing the ins and outs of tax laws can help you save a fortune in the long run. Philanthropy and legacy. 13. Give back. Many billionaires are committed to using their wealth to make a positive impact on the world. 14. Mentor others. Sharing your knowledge and experience is an excellent way to leave a lasting legacy. 15. Plan for the future. Billionaires understand the importance of estate planning and succession strategies to ensure their wealth is preserved for future generations. And there you have it, folks. 15 mind-blowing secrets that only billionaires know. Now that you're in on these juicy tidbits, it's time to put them into action and start building your empire. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so be patient, stay focused, and keep laughing all the way to the bank. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fabulous.